This is a Tectum 1 roof deck panel. Panel thicknesses range from 2 to 2.5 or 3 inches. What you see here is a piece of 2-inch Tectum 1. Tectum 1 installs like any other roof deck. It will be glued and screwed to structural framing. On the top side, typically contractors will pour lightweight insulating concrete roof assemblies. One of the benefits is it's a lifetime roof assembly, meaning the only thing the owner will have to replace is the membrane in the future. Otherwise, this is a perfectly suitable substrate for traditional roof materials as well. Tectum 1 comes in a natural finish, and just like our standard Tectum, this can be painted up to 6 times without affecting the fire performance or the acoustical performance. Due to the 2 to 3 inch thickness of Tectum 1, it's considered fire retardant treated wood. Tectum 1 has also passed NFPA 275, so it's considered a suitable barrier to foam plastic insulation. If required and ordered separately, shop drawings can be provided. The cover page will list the panel schedule, which includes the quantities and sizes. Design load information will be listed on the cover as well. You'll be given steel and support layouts, roofing sections, panel layouts, followed by other project-specific details and sections. Finally, individual panel drawings. Always make sure to reference the proper screw spacing chart for your installation. All framing surfaces will require the application of either master weld or lumber lock adhesive prior to screwing down your Tectum roof deck panels. First, we will be installing one row consisting of 2 6-foot Tectum 1 planks. The next row, which we will address separately, will be Tectum 1 long span planks. Tectum 1 deck uses deck fast number 14 screws. A 2-inch diameter washer is required as well. One row of screws is required at intermediate supports. Tectum 1 plank systems are installed with staggered ends, with end joints falling over supporting members where 2 rows of opposing screws are installed. It's helpful to make a little caddy to hold pre-loaded screws and washers. Now, we're going to install our second run, but this will be thicker 2.5-inch thick Tectum 1 long span. We are starting the run with a cut short piece to initiate a staggered layout. We'll follow this up with what would normally be full-size 6-foot pieces of long span, then pinned down with the deck fast number 14 screws. Our next run will be 6-foot Tectum 1 long span. We're gluing the tongue of the opposing run as well as the structural joist components. To achieve our long spans, we need to reinforce the opposing groove in our long span panels that the opposing tongue will engage with. We are reinforcing these grooves with 3/4-inch metal channel. 3-inch thick long span panels use an 1.5-inch metal channel. Here we are engaging the metal channel reinforced groove to the opposing tongue with adhesive applied to its surfaces. When your roof deck installation is complete, inspect to make sure all screw locations have received the proper layout of screws around the perimeter and in the field. To learn more about constructing your next roof with Tectum roof deck products, visit armstrongceilings.com/Tectum roof deck.